This is Milwaukee's News Center, the station with the most local news. WITI, Fox 6, Milwaukee.
Felt like I was about this much off the ground, just my foot was just dangling. And I kept trying to move my feet to see if I actually had them still.
A freak accident pins this woman between two cars. Tonight, she shares her story with you. Only on Fox, The Road to Recovery, 37-year-old Lynn Jahoviak talks for the first time about the horrible accident.
It happened near 80th and Capitol last month. A car careened out of control and trapped Lynn between the fenders of two parked cars. It took 23 pain-filled minutes to free her legs. Tonight, Lynn talks exclusively to Fox 6's Bob Moore.
Just that I'm alive. That I'm alive and walking. And that I have my family still.
2 weeks after having her legs nearly severed between two cars, Lynn Jahoviak has a new lease on life.
Never take anything on the road for granted. I mean, you just never know.
In the hospital Wednesday, Lynn vividly recalls the seconds before the accident and the long 23 minutes it took to free her legs.
For some odd reason, I just decided to turn around, and I seen the car about 6 feet behind my car, knowing there was no way it could avoid me. My foot was just dangling, and I kept trying to move my feet to see if I actually had them still, and I could feel like a cold sensation. I just take a different look at life now.
7 operations later, Lynn still has both her legs, but faces a long recovery.
The orthopedic surgery group here, we've done a great job salvaging her legs. She's able to feel both of her feet, which is amazing.
Dr. Robert Whitfield is a microsurgeon at Frederick and the Medical College.
She's lost the majority of the skin below her knee to her ankle, all the way around both lower legs.
In a surgery that could last up to 15 hours Thursday, Whitfield will reconstruct the skin and soft tissue in Lynn's legs from muscles in her back.
She has exposed bone, muscles, and tendons, and that's what we're trying to cover. We'll do everything we can tomorrow to bring her wounds to a closed state so she'll have less pain and be able to start rehabilitating faster.
Well, Lynn's an unemployed single mom of 2, and her recovery, as you hear, will be very long. Now, her mom told me just hours ago it's not clear what expensive modifications will be needed to the home once she heads back to her residence. Now, if you'd like to help, you can give to the Lynn Jahoviak Fund at any North Shore Bank location. In the newsroom, we're live.
Our thoughts and prayers are with her. I hope that surgery goes very well.
Let's hope so. It's going to be a long one.
Thanks, Bob.
New charge